Hello, I am Stacy Howell. I am a teacher at Northridge High School. We are starting a new class called um, Biotechnology, Biomanufacturing. It's a capstone class. It'll be offered in the spring for third and fourth term. We are going to be learning about bioreactors in this class. It is an introduction to biomanufacturing terminology and bioreactors. We'll be learning about biomanufacturing in the class and how to set up a bioreactor. We've actually got 6 bioreactors from the state STEM. We'll be learning about and setting up those bioreactors, which is going to be pretty awesome. We'll be growing bacteria and different things in those. Bioreactors can produce a wide variety of products, including cells, tissues, proteins, vaccines, and even novel food sources like cultivated meats. They are used in industry for things like pharmaceuticals, like insulin, food and beverages, bioprocessing for various things like cell therapy, drug discovery, and fermentation. So, human insulin is a big thing to be able to grow insulin and do it fast and efficiently and clearly. Um, uh, and be able to do it to a precise amount is very important to many people now with diabetes. Bioreactors are used for research and development and production purposes in industry, such as pharmaceuticals to create vaccines, fermentation in the food and beverage industry, biofuels, which are very important, agriculture, and waste management, which is also becoming very important. We'll be setting up bioreactors to manufacture. The kids get to choose what they get to manufacture, and there'll be a set amount of things that we'll get to manufacture at the high school level. But this is amazing. This is new and exciting chemistry and biology and a little bit of physics too. So the up and coming science, this is just cool stuff. I would highly suggest that you take biotechnology through UVU. I also offer that. That's a full year course. And then take this manufacturing in coordination with that the second quarter also. So you'll get UVU credit, 3 credit hours, but if you'll take this, and it's sort of doubling up, it'll be 2 classes in one. So you'll have the UVU class, and then you'll actually get credit for this other class on top of this one. So pretty cool. So setting up the bioreactor. Let me see if I can get this to work. It's sort of stuck right now. You can go out to this site. Let's see if we can go out here really quickly and watch this introduction to bioreactors. It's not going to go out, but there's a thing that's introduction to bioreactors. You can go out and watch it on the internet. You saw what it looks like, and it just goes through what bioreactors are. And they're basically, you can set up to multiply and get things to grow in a set environment, which is pretty cool. An overview of some things that we're going to be following, some protocol that's been set up by the state SAM to get the bioreactor going. So you sort of have some guidelines, but you get to decide what to grow and how to grow it and why you will grow it and how you're going to harvest it and what you're going to do with it when you harvest it. And then fourth term, this is the really cool stuff. We're going to be working with the biotech industry to solve a problem. There's over 77, almost 80 different biotech industries just here in Utah. And we're going to be working with one of those, and we'll come up they'll give us a problem, we'll be able to work with it, and we'll be able to reach out to them and ask them to help us solve that problem, which is going to be cool. And then you'll also be working on an individual project as part of the capstone. So really cool stuff that usually high school kids don't get to do, which is amazing here at the high school level. So I hope you'll take advantage of this. State STEM is helping us to finance it this first year, and it is an awesome opportunity. So in coordination with the CECTE biotechnology that I teach here at Northridge High School, it's through UVU, it's 3 credit hours. And then we're adding on this capstone project in the third term, fourth term. So take the biotechnology and then add this on, and it's the same period. So you can double dip in a period for two classes. Awesome thing. Okay, hope to see you there. Okay, bye.